So I worked on removing a bunch of the asphalt siding up there yesterday evening, and I got quite a bit off. So I've been debating on ripping that whole roof right off. The problem is, one of the problems is, I only have the weekend, and the other bigger problem is it's supposed to start raining at 3 o'clock, and then we're looking at rain for several days. So I need to, whatever I'm going to do, I need to have it water ready for rain. So after sleeping on it, I've decided I'm going to take off more of the siding, especially right over here and up there and probably up there too. And then I'm going to, instead of ripping all of it off, I might see if I can put a 1x6 along there, or a 1x4 or 5, and then fasten to that. The good thing is I'm quite sure I have wood siding all the way around, because I do here, so I probably do there, so I can do braces like I did here, and that way I could kind of get my aluminum up underneath for the overhang, so I can keep working on it without exposing all of it. So that's the approach. If I can do that, then I could start tying in this, evening that out, and then start putting wood on there. Okay, so let's get to work, because it's about 7:30, I would say, and they're saying the rain's going to start around 3, so I need to get going. But there's where we're at. That's what it looks like now.